Hi everyone. So today we have Becker Europe from 1980s. It's original Mercedes-Benz radio, and we did manage to install the Bluetooth also. So it's all original looks, nothing is changed. Bluetooth is invisible. So at first I'm gonna test the radio itself, and later I'm gonna show you how to activate the Bluetooth.
I'm writing a song. No.
Let's see how it looks in the dark. Not much light here, but this is how it came from factory. Okay. So in order to activate the Bluetooth, you have to press L or K. This is useless radio, so we don't use them any longer. In these days we use the FM mode. So FM, it's all U, and all the rest is useless basically. So simply press any of these. Now the Bluetooth is activated. We go to our cell phone. Here it is. It's connected. Now we can go to YouTube and play any music we want. Cool, right? So when you want to turn off the Bluetooth, simply go back to FM mode. And now we're back to radio. Okay, thumbs up.